Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash House. So, yesterday we actually had the opportunity to go live on TikTok and we made our yum yum chicken thighs.
And try to make sure I don't get any of those seeds. And you want to flip this part over and just slice. You don't need these to be fine because they're going to bake down in the oven. That's the idea of this baked chicken recipe. About 20 minutes to cook like it should. Now the rice is starting to toast. Come on over here, baby, so they can see that toasted rice. Cook it. All right. Now that's my favorite part. All right, we're gonna let that cook.
All right, welcome to the Nash House. We're live again. I wanted to show you guys because now we have our rice-a-roni is done. I let it rest. Look at that steam coming off of there. It's done, guys. Now we're gonna check on our broccoli and cheese. And I did check on the chicken. It needed a little bit more time, so I added 20 minutes to it. Them some big thighs. We're gonna turn the fire off. I'm gonna show y'all how y'all know y'all steamed broccoli is done. Come on over. Thank you, honey. Shout out to my husband. He is amazing. If your fork can go all the way through without a hesitation, your broccoli is done. It's steamed until it's cooked. Now I'm gonna put 2 slices of cheese on there and I'm gonna put a lid on it, but the fire is completely turned off. I want that cheese to go ahead and melt in because that's all the kids getting. I really want them to eat more of the broccoli. But you got what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to use some Kraft singles that I actually just bought at Aldi. So if you don't have an Aldi in your town, Aldi is a pretty big deal here in St. Louis. It is a discount grocery store where you can save you some money when you're buying for your family like we have to do because it's a family of 6. So I went on an adventure to Aldi, and that's one of our latest videos on our YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed and watch. And they had Kraft singles. I don't like going to the discount stores when they give you some unnamed brand cheese that don't melt. I don't know about you, but I don't like that. So it's a big deal to get some Kraft. All right, so we're only gonna use two slices. You're gonna put them right directly on top, and then put the lid back on. That way, it just naturally will melt. It's kind of hard to see what the line is. All right. We're going to allow the last of that steam to rise. And you can see the actual cheese melt. Now we got our yum yum chicken down. Look at that. It smells immaculate. I tell you what, this is almost done. So you can see how it's boiling. It's almost done, and we're going to leave it in here and let it rest even after it's done cooking because I really want that juice on the inside of that pan to really soak into that meat, and then it'll give it a nice kind of thin crisp on the top. That's the idea. Now what we're going to do now, since y'all got to see that the sides were done, this meal literally, what time is it?
5:44.
So this meal literally takes about an hour, give or take. Really don't take a lot of time in the kitchen. I hear a lot of women saying that they tired of standing in the kitchen for hours and hours. Well, what I try to do on our YouTube channel is make meals efficient but delicious. So I don't really spend a lot of time doing a lot of prep work because then I have 4 children and a husband to tend to, and I want to eat with them. So you got to make sure that when you make your meals, you ain't doing it the hard way. You want to work smarter and not harder.
This is gonna take us at least an hour. This took us at least an hour to prepare. All 6 of us are gonna be able to eat, sit down, and enjoy dinner. But make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna get some. I'm gonna have my husband take some still shots of the finalized product, and then I'll put a video together so you guys can see it. You think we should go live to let them see a plate, or just the still shot?
I think still should do it.
The photographer said you gotta wait. Make sure you tune in. That's Welcome to the Nash House. Just search it on Google, and all of our social sites, including our YouTube channel, should pull up. See you later.